A product may have numerous impressive features, but they would be of little value if the user experience is not up to par. At Starburst, we prioritize user experience, and it reflects in the quality of our products. For example, both of our platforms provide an intuitive interface that allows users to utilize SQL skills and tools that they already have. Starburst provides a query editor that is a full environment to write and execute SQL statements. Users can point, click, and drag data within clusters and explore the catalogs, schemas, tables, views, and columns available to query from their connected data sources. Multiple worksheets manage separate queries and a history of query statuses, and their performances are tracked with the query execution diagram. This is all centrally located for users to optimize their SQL experience. With Starburst, it is easy to connect to a rich ecosystem of data sources, BI tools, and partner products. With Starburst Galaxy, our fully managed SaaS option, it's even easier. Starburst has features such as data products, schema discovery, and universal search that enable easy discovery and consumption of high-quality data. In both Starburst platforms, users can discover, create, publish, manage, and share data products based on multiple datasets. Starburst makes it easy to produce, share, and consume data products using the built-in workflows and query editor. And Starburst's built-in access control allows users to secure data products with access control, ensuring consistent governance from source level to data products. And of course, Starburst offers flexible and transparent licensing, pricing, and billing options. The features that make Starburst easy to use don't end there. If you're interested in learning more about and even trying some of our features with hands-on labs, please be sure to check out our other course offerings in Starburst Academy.